Hello everyone, welcome to this English listening practice video. Today I'll share a simple morning routine with you. This routine will help you learn some English words and phrases about things we do every morning. Let's get started. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. When my alarm rings, I take a deep breath and open my eyes slowly. I like to start my day calmly. I stretch my arms and legs to wake up my body. Stretching helps me feel good and ready for the day. It's important to take a few breaths and relax before getting out of bed. After I wake up, the first thing I do is make my bed. I pull up the blankets and make sure my pillows are neat. This small task helps me feel organized. A tidy bed makes my room look nice and clean, and it gives me a small sense of accomplishment. It's a great way to start the day with something positive. Next, I head to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water to feel fresh and awake. Then I brush my teeth. Brushing my teeth is important because it keeps my mouth clean and healthy. I also comb my hair to look tidy. This morning routine in the bathroom helps me feel clean and ready to start my day. After washing up, I do a quick workout. Sometimes I do some stretching, and sometimes I do a few jumping jacks or squats. Exercising in the morning gives me energy and makes me feel active. Even a little bit of movement can make a big difference in how you feel. Morning exercise helps me stay focused and positive for the rest of the day. Now it's time for breakfast. A healthy breakfast gives me energy and keeps me full until lunchtime. I might have eggs, toast, and a glass of juice or coffee. Sometimes I eat yogurt with fruit. Breakfast is an important meal because it helps me stay alert. When I eat a good breakfast, I feel ready to start my tasks for the day. Finally, I take a few minutes to plan my day. I look at my to-do list and think about what I need to do. This helps me stay organized and makes it easier to remember my tasks. Having a plan for the day keeps me focused and reduces stress. I feel more prepared and confident when I know what to expect. I hope you enjoyed this morning routine and learned some new words. Please leave a comment and tell me about your morning routine. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to learn in the next video.